How to save draft projects in Filmmaker Pro. First of all, open the app on your device and start or load the project you are working on. If you want to save your project as a draft and continue editing later, tap on the back button located in the top left corner of the screen. A menu will appear with several options. Select Save to Original Project option. This will save your current project exactly as it is, including all edits, clips, text, stickers, transitions, and music without exporting it as a final video or creating a new project. Once saved, your draft project will be available in the project section of the app. You can open it anytime to continue editing from where you left off. Saving draft projects is especially useful if you are working on multiple videos at the same time or need to pause your editing and return later. Now you know how to save draft project in Filmmaker Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more video editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.